And welcome to Searching For. Well, today what I decided to do is, instead of using the this setup that I got for my skimmer, which requires me to put it on before I put it in the water and then adjust it on the back here. So I've decided, instead of doing that, I was in Runnings the other day and I ran across one in the fishing area and the boating area, and I come across this company LEI, and they just happen to make a adapter that will fit on the bottom of your trolling motor with this nice big hose clamp. And then this will go right on the bottom, and this will sit below the bottom on the motor. So I don't have to even deal with anything other than when the motor goes in the water, the skimmer's now in the water. So I don't know if the turbulence with the motor is going to have an effect on the skimmer. So we're going to find out. We'll find out. So what I'm going to do right now is go ahead and get this adapter on here, and then I'm going to go ahead and engage the skimmer on the adapter. Let's see it on the other side. Other side of this. Looking more as close to. Just like so. Man, I don't know how far they thought they were kicking this thing, but or how big the motor they thought you were installing it on was. Almost there. Dead center in the middle of the little motor. Okay, let's get the skimmer off of here. Got it all nicely mini zip tied. I think I might use this one and I'll put my flag in it. Okay, Heard me. Dropping my wrench. Where'd you go? Drop my wrench, drop my wrench. Alright. Well, I bought me a boat trailer for it. So I gotta go get it. Unfortunately, it's got a bad wheel bearing. So unfortunately, I feel I got a real good deal on it at $100. But the problem is, I gotta repair it. I don't know how expensive the wheel bearing is. Well, actually, he said that because of the wheel bearing got so screwed up on it, it actually messed up the spindle. So technically I gotta replace the whole axle, he says. And that'll run about $150. But I think the axle I got out here in the yard on a old trailer, one of those old red fold-up trailers that you can get at Hardware Freight for $500. I got that like 25 years ago. And that thing's been from California to Washington State, and all the way back from Washington State to Georgia, and then went from Georgia up to here. So it's got some miles on it. It's, you know, unfortunately the frame now, because it came up here in the salt, is now rusted and destroyed. How is that? How is that gonna work? There's that crazy thing going around the motor. That's like that. That's a heck of a lot. A little bit of tension on that. We're gonna have to see. It's gonna go back. Gonna go right up there. Oh, gonna go right up the mast. Okay. That's it, and locking. Keep it at that point right now, so. Get right dead center in the middle of the thing here. I haven't done anything to tighten up. Anything up. Straight. Tighten it up with a knife. Okay, so that's good and tight. Okay, takes care of that. Kind of want that across the top. There you go. Okay, you got it. Alrighty. I like it. Take care of that. What are these zip ties in this? Zip tie up. Tie the sucker right up the line. This is your battery. This is going going to come across, and there's going to be I have a little extender that'll plug this. It goes right to the monitors. It takes care of that. I have to wait till I get it in the water here to see exactly how that's gonna made up. But at this point, got it set up so I don't have to worry about that part of it. Just do and that can go the other direction if what I just did with the bar. Huh. Right. He's going to do it. That is now installed. Just do that thing. Okay, so this can actually go on here now. I can just leave it on here, and with it being straight up, my flag and everything can go right inside. It'll hold it. So this can be permanent right here then. Need something to, another handle to hang on to. On to hold it. Just all that. Okay. All right, folks. That's that. Yeah. I'll just do. Yeah. Okay. I can put it in something even as big as that. Yeah. I've got my dark flag and stuff. Okay, just a quick follow-up on what I just did. There's a band here, and it's straight on dead center in the middle of the motor. So now when this goes in the water, this will be in the water too. My only concern is the prop wash, what it's called, going to have an effect on the skimmer. Because originally, again, I had it attached to this, which is now going to be my flag holder, hanging down below. And when I hung down below, it was down here away from the prop wash. It was by itself. My only problem is me turning around and installing that each time turning around trying. I got the battery right here. I got everything. There's no way I'm going to be able to lean over here and get it on there because you're going to want it at a certain height. You're definitely not going to want it so it's dragging when you try to slide the boat in. So that's why I did it. I thought that was a good idea when I saw that. You put it right on the bottom of your motor, and then once the motor goes in the water, then it's in the water. And that company is LEI. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. If you have something that needs to be searched, please get in touch with me, and I'll do my best to get it on the priority list and get it searched. So again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. If you want to help sponsor, I'd appreciate it. You'll catch me on the next. Searching for